So now let's have a look at another scenario where distinct actually makes a lot of sense for our analysis. So I will uncomment these queries, okay, and let's drop the table. Let's drop the table. And start all over again. So we're in our sample DB database. Then we'll insert this. So let's select everything from this table, and you can see now we have 6 rows. And if you look at number 5 and 6, we have the same set of data. Dave Chooks, Chooks at live, 3030 Chicago. So what distinct does for us here is, if you select distinct first name city from student, you would realize that we have just 5 returned to us instead of 6. And that's because for Dave Chicago, now it is just one data has been returned for Dave Chicago. And if I run the same query again without the distinct, let me select this, and to remove confusion, let me remove all this also. We're only focusing on these 2 queries. So one is going to have distinct, the other will not have distinct, and let's see what data is being returned. So you can see that we have Dave and Dave. For the one that does not have a distinct, and the other one has distinct, so it's returned to us 5 rows, and the other one has returned to us 6 rows. So you can see that there are cases in which, even though the distinct is based on 2 different columns, right, but if all the data in the row are the same, then it will return just just the distinct values for us. Okay, so this is another example in which distinct is very important to use. So if you have a data set that has a whole bunch of duplicate values, you can use distinct to just retrieve the distinct ones out of it. So you just return 1 per duplicate. So if you have duplicate of 10, you would have just 1 of them returned back to you. And don't forget, again, like I said before, I just want to repeat that if you use distinct across 2 separate columns, you would have data return based on the distinct of both. The data has to be unique across both columns, okay? But if it is just one, it will just be unique across just 1 column, and that's how distinct works. See you in the next video as we'll progress in our SQL training. Take it. Bye.